The government has announced the formation of SIT for going into the land deals which have been there, which is amounting to grabbing of land with fraudulent documents. I welcome it. At the same time, I want to tell the Chief Minister that you have information of all the land deals which have been done by big people. As the Chief Minister, you yourself have to hand over the land deals that you were involved in from the time you became an MLA, hand it over to the SIT for a clean chit. Now, I specifically mentioned about the convener of Aam Aadmi Party, Advocate Amit Palekar. Now, there is news across in the social media that he was involved in a land deal where a person died in 2002. He was the uncle of the first Goan Arjuna awardee, Otilia Mascarenhas. Now, he produced a land deal somewhere in 2013, almost 11 years after that gentleman had died. How many more land deals was he involved in? So he, being the convener of Aam Aadmi Party, he should hand over all the land deals in which he was involved as an advocate to the SIT. Doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani. In any case, we as citizens of Goa will not keep quiet. We are digging up a lot of fraudulent land deals and we will not be keeping quiet on this.